Good morning everyone. We are here again and again sa ating YouTube channel. And now, dito ako sa school. Ayan, celebrate natin ang Buddha Day. Buddha Day nila. So, yan silang mga gift na naka-ready going to the gym para i-celebrate ang kanilang tradition, which is the Buddha Day. Okay, ang kanilang... Okay, let's go. Samahan natin sila sa ating vlog ngayon at makikita natin ang kanilang mga gagawin this morning. Wow, what's that? Wow! Wow, there's so many foods there. Teacher. Yes, okay. Yes. Okay, smile. Okay, let's go. Up, let's go. Let's go. Let's go there. Okay. But wait for a while. I'm going to the bathroom. Okay. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go. Yay! We're going to the gym. Okay, here. Here, what is it? Okay, let's go. Going to the gym. Yeah, teacher. Okay. Okay, go there, go there. Okay, go move. Okay. Okay. Wow. They are there. They have a bed. Okay, teacher. Okay. 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 Let's see. They're preparing some. Okay, let's see. Okay. Okay, they are giving some gifts. Yeah, they are giving some gifts there. And they're preparing for... Okay. Teacher! Love it. What is it? Yes. Yeah. Happy week. Kamusta Corn? Happy week? They putting the gift there. Put it on the basket. Okay. Yes. Yeah. I said, teacher. Wow. They're giving gifts. Wow, what's that? Give gifts? Wow, okay, 1, 2, 3. They're almost done. There's so many gifts there. And once they done, we're going to sit down after. Okay. Why so pawis na pawis mo? You're the same face. Same face. Okay. Going there. Bye. Okay. Bye. Okay. Bye. And then yun, natapos na ating pagpunta doon at tuloy-tuloy pa din yung program ng Buddha Day dito sa aming school. At ako, mag-start na muli ako magturo at ayun, ganun pala sila. Ganun sila kapag ka Buddha Day. They offer food to the monk. Ayan. And inaan nila. Pinagsasama-sama nila lahat ng mga gifts. So, yan. Hindi muna natin sila aanin doon sapagkat mayroon silang program ang mga proton. So, let's go for the next class. Bye! Thank you for watching!